Now, students, let us study Kepler's laws. Now, the Kepler's first law, I will not state it. You can see in your textbooks. The planets, the orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of the foci. But before understanding the orbit of an ellipse, we need to understand what is an ellipse. So I've given in my notes, an ellipse is a locus of points. Now what are locus? Locus is the set of points in simple words. So it is a locus of points whose distance from a fixed point, that is a focus, bears a constant ratio which is less than 1 to a fixed line. Okay, now I will show you all what is the meaning. I will just give you all a simple example. Example, just see the rough diagram. If this is the ellipse, an example, please keep in mind the focus is not at the center. So if S is the focus, and now if I draw a horizontal line, keep in mind an ellipse has two foci or focuses. It is a set of points, as I said. It bears a constant ratio to a fixed line. So let's see an example. I will consider this because this point lies on the ellipse. So I'll consider it as M. This I will consider as P. So what is the basic thing is SM, whose distance from a fixed point, that is a focus, bears a constant ratio, the ratio will not change, to a fixed line, that is MP. It is SM upon MP. The ratio will be something called E, and the value of E is less than 1. Now if I take the point here, then this distance I have to consider. Distance is always considered using the concept of a straight line. So I will consider now which point should I take? Q. And now a straight line here I will draw. I will consider any point H. So SM upon MP is equals to SQ upon QH, which is equals to E. Locus are set of points. An ellipse is a locus of points whose distance from a fixed point, that is the foci is S. I will consider this as S dash S1. Therefore SM upon MP will be equal to SQ upon QH. Distance from a fixed point is equal to the bears a constant ratio to the distance from a fixed line, and this line is called a directrix, and this point is called a focus or a foci. So this is Kepler's first law, that planets follow this orbit.